everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I figured I'd do something fun and bold in light of the new year. 2021 is coming around the corner, and why not film a New Year's look? Even if you're staying in, even if you're just doing Zoom with your friends and family, why not have fun with it? Make yourself feel beautiful. I went ahead and I created this look. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button down below and subscribe for more videos. I have so much planned for 2021. I'm so excited. So if you enjoy this content, just keep watching. Alright, so let's get this party started. As I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve look. I'm so excited. I don't really know where this video is going to go. We shall see. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadows. If you haven't tried these yet, get them. Like seriously, go get them. They're $3 each. You cannot beat that. They're amazing. They're pigmented. What else could you ask for $3? As you can tell, I already did my face makeup, did my foundation, my blush, my bronzer, highlighter, all of that jazz. My eyebrows are done. I just didn't want this video to go on for hours, so we're just gonna be focusing on the eyes for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this eyeshadow Carnival palette. I already went ahead and prepped my eyelids. All I did was go over it with concealer. I still have yet to find like a drugstore good eyeshadow primer, so if anybody knows of anything good, let me know, because I need something. Concealer is not cutting it. I have oily eyelids, unfortunately. So all I did was dip this brush into the lightest shade right there, and I'm going to tap off the excess. This is the Carnival. And I'm just going to kind of put that all over my eyelid. Just to, I guess, be the base shade. And then I'm going to start in with the second to lightest shade in this palette and kind of blend that all in the crease. Tap off all the excess. You'll hear me do that a lot. I apologize in advance, but it is an important step. And then I'm just kind of like fluffing it out ever so lightly and blending it in to my crease like so. And then I'm going to take a little bit, no extra product, and just kind of like fluff it out that way. Just kind of give me that cat eye illusion, I guess. Okay, next I'm going to go into the pumpkin pie palette. And I am going to go ahead and grab this shade right here. It's the first shade. And a smaller blending brush. And just kind of go over that other shade that I did. And throwing this a little bit more towards the center of my lid. And then bringing it into the crease. Just pretty much want to darken the crease right here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the smaller, clean blending brush. This one is actually from Essence, so it is nice drugstore. Most of my brushes are drugstore. And I'm going to go into the darker shade in the pumpkin pie palette and just swirl that brush in there, tap off the excess, and focus this on the outer corner. Dabbing it on, kind of like the lash line, and then moving my way up towards that crease. Really focusing on darkening the outer corner of my lid. Now comes the fun, messy part. So I'm gonna go in with this Super Shock shadow in the color Cheap Date. This is from ColourPop. I know technically you can't find this in all drugstores, but it's mainly sold at Ulta. And what I'm gonna do is kind of grab a flat brush like so, dip it in there. And I'm gonna just take a setting spray. This is from e.l.f. You can take any setting spray, this part doesn't matter. And just spray your brush, get it nice and wet. And then put it in like this main, probably like halfway on your eyelid. Ugh, look at that. Just a fair warning, you might get glitter all over your face, so you might want to do your eyes first before doing your foundation. Ooh, look at that. Look how glittery this is. This, it's literally is like a super shock. Like, I'm shocked how freaking glittery it is. Like, beautiful it is. It's like smooth. You might have glitter all over your face for all of next year, but hey, at least you're shining, you know? And all I'm gonna do next is just go ahead and just take this dark brown color again and focus this on the outer corners again, just to deepen it up. The color got a little bit lost with this eyeshadow. The glitter, I'm just kind of blending it into each other. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and do an eyeliner. All right, I try to make my eyeliner as even as possible. And I went ahead and with the NYX Ink Epic liner. It's amazing. Again, I'm just gonna keep raving about everything. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add on lashes. All right, so I just popped on the lashes. I'm trying these new like Kiss lashes. They're number 11, but a pack of them, and so far, pretty good. They're more on like the natural side, natural. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go back into this pumpkin pie palette and just use the darkest shade and the first shade in this palette and kind of like blend that down underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and use whatever highlighter I used on my cheeks and just put that in my inner corner. Give that little extra. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara on the bottom lashes. Alright, and last but not least, the lips. Always have to do something with the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the NYX lip liners. This is the color Spicy. This is kind of like a bright red. I figured if we're gonna go into 2021, we're gonna go in bold and strong, you know? Gotta start off the new year right. And then just to top it off, I'm gonna add this NYX Suede. This is the color Kitten Heels. I love their like suede lips. Go ahead and add that. It makes it even more bold. Look at that color. That's the finished look for the eyes. All right, everybody, so that is all for today's makeup look. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button down below and don't forget to leave a subscribe. I have so much planned for 2021 and new videos, so I'm excited to just keep creating and having fun with this. And before signing off, I just want to leave you with this. Just always remember, you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. Bye.